So this lesson, what I kind of want to try out is just having a tooltip, so I know that I can drag something over this guy, because right now it's pretty hard to see that it's actually allowed to drag over my actual image right here. So we're going to add a tooltip. Now maybe that's not even enough, maybe we need to do something different like putting a text somewhere, but I'm just going to do it with a tooltip for now, and then maybe the customer will come back and say, let's make it even better, and that's up to him then later on. So I'm going into the tooltip right here, the Mat Tooltip API, Material Tooltip, and here it seems I need to use the module of Tooltip. Yes, that makes sense. So let's try and jump into our app module, because that's where I'm going to use this new tooltip, and just paste this guy in there. There we go. I just import the the tooltip, and now we can use it actually. So let's see how easy it is to create a tooltip. So I'm jumping back to the Material IO right here, and I'm jumping into examples, and I'm going to open this guy to see an example of a tooltip. Is it this simple? Is it just adding this guy? Is that enough? Let's try it out. So I'm going to add this guy right here to my tooltip, and let's just write tooltip, that's fine. I just want to see if it works. So jumping back to my application here, and just mousing over that image, I got a tooltip. Oh my god, that's nice. So now I have a tooltip. Now I want to put something in, drop new image here, or click me to select. Yeah, I don't know. You can make a better message there than me. So it's just a way for me to kind of indicate how you can change the image, right? So that's a tooltip for you. Now we can do a bit more with these tooltips if we jump into the API again right here. There's something about you can actually change positions of the tooltip. So it seems that we can use an input and change positions. So I checked the documentation. I don't quite see what you can call these positions anywhere. So I kind of googled that to see what we called it, and it seemed there was one called below. So there's probably also one called above. So we're going to try and do that and see if there's an above we can use. So let's just go ahead and put in a square right here and say Mat Tooltip Position. Seems that was the name I was looking for. Let's just try and end this. And let's just go back here. Let's just have a look at the examples. If we look at the code right here, you'll see he's sending in a position right here. So we're probably able to see in here in the TypeScript file what positions are available. And it seems there's a position called before. So that's the one we're going to try. Again, notice that he actually put in this as a property in his TypeScript file, and that's why he's putting in the square brackets right here. So that's why the square brackets are there. We don't want those because I'm just going to put it in as a plain old string. So let's just try and remove the square brackets, just write equal to actually before. Oh, that wasn't what I wanted. There we go. Like this, and we don't even need these small guys right here, the single quotation. This should be all we need. Now maybe it's before the element. That's what I expect at least. Let's try and have a look. Mousing over again. It's still below. So let's try and actually add it as, let's just make sure that I actually put in the right name here. Position. There we go. I think it was the naming. There we go. Came before. Is there also an above maybe? Let's just try that. Above. I don't know. Just guessing here. And now it's above. Ta-da! But I think below is the right position. I just want to kind of show you guys how easy it is to work with these different properties here to actually add these. And this is of course also a directive hidden somewhere that we do not need to worry about because somebody else built it for us. So that's it for this lesson. You can go and read more on the API, but now you know a bit about the tooltip, and it can do a lot of crazy things like setting delays. You can add classes to kind of change the look and feel of it. So if you want to look differently, you can change messages right now. You can change messages as you kind of do different things, etc., etc. So that's it for this lesson. See you next lesson where we'll have even more fun.